Your bedroom, boys' bedroom's up here. That's gonna be the bedroom.
Look how big it is. Here, Elle, go that way. Go.
Can't walk without sucking up here. Yeah, I think it's good. Let's leave it so it's anchored here.
Okay, so what I gotta do here, my lag screws are only 4 inches long, so I'm going to kind of like bore a little hole, I guess. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna use this guy so that I can get this in a little bit deeper. Trying not to fall. It's one of the reasons why we're doing this, to keep us from falling. So okay, check that. So, 1 post done. Well, you could do it if you really wanted to. You'd have to, it'd be a lot of studying to learn, but you could do it. Some stuff over here. Okay, so I can get it nice and flush, but it's not level. So in order to make it level, I have to do it like that, which makes it pop out, which I don't like. So I either need to come back and shave the stair.
Why wouldn't you do that, make it pop out, and then sand it once it's on here?
I mean, that's a lot of sanding. Ah. No, I'm just so happy that after 2 days that I have 1 freaking screw in.
Way to go, babe. Way to go.
Okay.
It's happening.
Good job, Dad. You did it.
Good
Not
job,
yet.
Dad, you did it.
It's gonna be very loud
Say
still,
thanks,
but
guys.
poster in. 1, 2, 3, and then I got that guy right there. So I need another one right here. 2 more like that. It's getting close. I got one more board here, the top rail, to mark that in. I don't know why I just did that, because Kelly hasn't approved it. Kelly is quite picky whenever it comes to things like this. She can see 1/2 inches of whether or not they're spaced correctly. It makes the process go much longer. But I love you very much. Thank you for letting me live in a shed and have rabbits and chickens. Are you worried about the
Part is people, you know, like having people. I gave her a book.
Oh, you gave her a Modern Essentials book?
The little one.
Here's my goal. I want to get these things up and done like this. So I want to get these next 2 up. And then, to be honest, I don't want to work on anything in the house except cleaning, getting ready for the Z's until you tell me, clip these. Or sand this, or okay.
Because I'm trying to. I like talking with you for sure.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this update of our Texas homestead build. Go down below and listen to our new podcast. Our new podcast is live. Go check it out and then give us a review on iTunes, Apple iTunes, or Apple Podcasts, whatever it's called. Go check it out. Better Together Life Podcast.